All right, now let's test the application up to this point. So here in our posts component, in the delete post method, I'm sending an invalid post ID. So when we go back to the browser, I expect to see this error. This post has already been deleted. So let's try this. Delete. We get a different error. An unexpected error occurred. Now let's take a look at the console. So here you can see that our API returned a 404 or not found error. But our application is not behaving the way we expect. Look at this error below. Observable.throw is not a function. This is a kind of error that you may see from time to time. So earlier I told you that these observables have a bunch of methods that we call operators. Catch is an example of them. And you also saw that we had to explicitly import this operator on the top. If we didn't do this, we would get a similar error. So here, this error is telling us that we have not imported the throw method. Now in this particular case, we had IntelliSense here, so we could call observable.throw, but the code is actually not imported. So we need to explicitly import this method on the top. So here, right after importing the catch operator, I'm going to import the throw method. So import rxjs add. Now instead of operator, I'm going to type observable. Why? Because this catch is an instance method that is available on observable objects. But the throw method is a static method that is accessible by an observable class. So let's have one more look. See, here we're calling the throw method on the observable class, not an observable object. So this is a static method. Now in observable type, we have a bunch of static methods like the throw method that we use to create a new instance of an observable object. We call these methods factory methods. They're like factories. They create objects. So here on the top, whenever you want to import a static method on the observable type, in the past, you should use observable. So observable/throw. Now back in the browser, let's test the application one more time. Delete. And we get the right message. This post has already been deleted. So this is how we import observable operators and factory methods. Now, as I said before, observable is an entirely different topic. It's a separate library. It really needs its own course. For now, don't worry too much about it. These two methods, catch and throw, are what you use in most of your Angular applications. There are lots of other operators, but you're really not going to use them in every application. They are for really special use cases.